I am Richard Agustin and I'm a teacher of Science 6. For me, it is important for the teacher to organize and maintain classroom structure and engage learners individually or in groups because students could be more reflective in what they are doing and become more interactive with other students. In this way, they will be able to explore and discover new things. It's a knowledge-sharing experience in the classroom wherein everyone gets engaged in hands-on learning activities. Classroom structure would mean the physical setup of the learning environment. What I usually do, I ask my students to arrange their chairs, maybe 4 or 5 chairs together, so they could use them for small group activity. I usually go around to facilitate the small groups. Now in this bag, I have here an object. Now, do you have any guess what kind of object is present in the bag? No? Okay, I will show you the object. Now tell me if you are familiar with this object. No. Okay, is there any form of energy present in this object? Yes? Can you give one form of energy? Okay, talk to your pair and say your yell if there is a form of energy present in this object. In the Think, Pair, Share activity, it helps learners to think individually about a topic or answer to a question. It teaches learners to share ideas with classmates and builds oral communication. It helps focus attention and engage learner to the lesson collaboratively. Based from our observation, can we change energy?
Yes.
Can we destroy energy?
No.
No. So let's find out in our activity. Okay, class, we'll be divided into 4. So group 1 will be sitting here. Group number 2 will be sitting there. Group number 3 will be sitting in the table 3. And group number 4 will be sitting here. Group number 1 leader is Archie. Okay, here are your materials. Group number 2, you'll be reading an article. Group number 3, okay, you'll be identifying materials. And group number 4, okay, you're going to cut out the materials and organize it. You can see learning stations in the different parts of the classroom where students could explore and make meaningful activities. Collaboration with their group mates and differentiated instruction were also emphasized. After doing the activity, learners move to the center for the presentation and discussion of output of every group. It is important that before the learning episode occurs, the teacher must ensure a proactive classroom structure to support flexible movement of learners as they work on their learning tasks. We'll be playing the anchor chart. You'll be having an anchor chart, okay, for every group. So we will start with the leader. I will say the object and complete the energy transformation if I say the object. Learners are fully engaged in the activities conducted by the teacher since there is optimal space and time appropriate to their needs. In my classroom activity, I use learning stations and individual tasks in managing classroom structure and develop activities which engage learners in meaningful hands-on activities which help learners understand the lesson and eventually achieve the day's learning goals.